Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this. I stated in the other video, this would look a really cool 3D if you do 3D engraving. I call it a poor man's 3D because it's not a true 3D, but it'll look pretty cool. We're going to get the Smart Fill tool, and we're going to fill that in. I'm going to nudge it over and fill that in, nudge it over. So I've got two objects. I'm actually going to move that other one out further. And I am going to take this one, take away the fill, and I'm going to have a black outline at 5 points is good. This one, I'm going to take away the fill, but I'm going to change the outline to a gray. Now I'm going to go ahead and let's zoom in here. You can barely see that gray one. I can just barely see it. So we'll do this one first. We're going to go to Effects and Contour. We're going to contour the inside in a light gray. I'm going to go RGB in a light gray. Corel always does that, sends up Pantone. Bugs me. And I'm going to go to a light gray. Now, it might have already done something, so you need to go ahead and go to center and go 0.001, which is the smallest you can go. And look what it did. Now we're going to find that gray one, and we're going to go just the opposite. We're going to go into a black. And look at that. Now I'm going to move that one over. It's going to fit right on top of there. I'm going to go ahead and convert them to a bit. I'm going to convert them to a bitmap. It doesn't matter really what color. I'll use RGB. And then, for some reason, it works better when they're a bitmap. I'm going to go ahead and group them together. And I'm going to move this out of the way. Now, I don't have my center ring anymore. We can make a ring and put P and put it in the center of the page. And we're still nudging, so we can just nudge this right back over. And now what I want to do is Control D to make a duplicate, double click on the rotation and put it in the center of that. And we'll see if it is, and it is. Now we can rotate it that 22.5 degrees. Control D. I'm going to go out to the shop later today and run this as a file. I think it's going to look spectacular. If you've never done any 3D engraving, it's pretty cool. This is going to be dark on the edges and light up top. And this is going to be light on the edges. And so it's going to go deeper here and less, then deeper here and less. So this is going to be a bowl, and this is going to be like a mountain. Pretty cool idea. Anyway, I hope that gave you, and even at that, even if you just did colors, it would kind of show that off and not, wouldn't have to engrave it. It would just be special colors. Anyway, hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.